Okay, so 7 years later, original piston, 90 hours, original hours, what I was told. Here's the piston, nice and charry. Had some blow by, I would say. It is an original Vertex piston, so I believe I'm on the originality. There's that. There's the head. Pin looks good. The walls, I was a little worried about that, but it's nothing. It's still super smooth. Ain't no problems with the porting. No scars or rub marks. It actually still has, see if you can see it on camera. You can still see some cross hatching in there pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up and throw my new piston and top end in there. I got a V-Force 4 I'm gonna put in here. The bottom end has very little play in it, so that's good. None at all, top to bottom. Like, I mean, absolutely none. Don't sound funny. Sounds good. All the pistons sound good. So yeah, I'm gonna take these reeds out and then clean this up and throw it all back together.